A healthy diet should include green leafy vegetables. They are low in calories and rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Many health benefits such as reduced risk of obesity, heart disease, high blood pressure and mental decline can be achieved with a diet high in leafy greens. In this video, we will look at green leafy vegetables. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive future updates. Here are the top 10 green leafy vegetables to add to your diet. Number 10. Arugula. Arugula, also known as arugula, colliwort, rocket, arugula, or arugula, is a leafy vegetable belonging to the Cruciferous family. Small leaves that are easy to use in salads or as a garnish, with a slightly peppery flavor. In addition, it has both medicinal and cosmetic uses. Like other leafy greens, they are rich in nutrients such as provitamin A, carotenoids, vitamins B9 and K. It's also one of the top sources of dietary nitrate, a substance your body converts to nitric oxide. Number 9. Swiss chard. Chard has tough red, white, yellow, or green stems and dark green leaves. It belongs to the same family as turnips and spinach and is often used in Mediterranean cuisine. It has an earthy taste and is rich in vitamins and minerals such as potassium, manganese and vitamins A, C and K. Low sugar level. Syringic acid was administered orally to diabetic rats for 30 days in 2 small experiments to lower blood glucose levels. It is important to remember that these were small animal studies and that human data are lacking to support the idea that syringic acid may help regulate blood sugar. Number 8. Romaine lettuce. Romaine lettuce is a classic leafy vegetable with tough, dark leaves and strong midribs. A popular crunchy lettuce that goes well with Caesar salad. 1 cup, 47 grams of. Contains 82% and 60% of the DV for vitamins A and K respectively. Additionally, studies in rats have shown that lettuce may increase blood lipid levels and reduce the risk of developing heart disease. Further research is needed to fully understand these benefits in humans. Number 7. Watercress. Watercress is an aquatic plant of the Cruciferous family and is related to arugula and mustard greens. It has long been used in herbal medicine and is believed to have curative powers. However, to date, these benefits have not been proven by human studies. I know that. Watercress refines dishes with a neutral taste thanks to its bitterness and slightly tangy taste. Number 6. Beet greens. Beets have been touted as being healthy since the Middle Ages. Although beets are frequently utilized in meals and have an outstanding nutritional profile, the leaves are sometimes overlooked. This is unfortunate because they are edible and a good source of fiber, vitamins A and K, potassium, calcium, and riboflavin. Cooked beet greens offer 220% of the DV for vitamin A, 37% of the DV for potassium, and 17% of the DV for fiber in just 1 cup, 144 grams. They also include lutein and beta-carotene, 2 antioxidants that may lower the risk of conditions including macular degeneration and cataracts. Beet greens can be cooked and served as a side dish or added to salads and soups. Number 5. Cabbage. Green, white, and crimson-colored bunches of thick leaves make up cabbage. Along with broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts, it's a member of the Brassica family. Glucosinolates, that are found in this plant family's veggies, supply them a sour taste. Foods containing those plant additives may also have cancer-protecting qualities, considerably in opposition to lung and esophageal cancer, in keeping with animal studies. Another gain of cabbage is that it may be fermented to make sauerkraut, which has numerous fitness advantages. Together with improving digestion and boosting the immune system. It ought to even sell weight reduction. Number 4. Spinach. Popular amongst leafy inexperienced veggies, spinach is easy to apply in a huge variety of meals, together with soups, sauces, smoothies, and salads. 1 cup, 30 grams of uncooked spinach has a super dietary profile, giving 181% of the day-by-day fee for nutrition K, 56% of the day-by-day fee for nutrition A, and 13% of the day-by-day fee for manganese. It additionally carries quite a few folate. That's crucial for the improvement of purple blood cells and for stopping neural tube abnormalities in pregnant girls. A terrible consumption of folate throughout the primary trimester of being pregnant become found out to be one of the maximum avoidable threat elements for the neural tube disorder spina bifida. Number 3. Collard greens. Greens with unfastened leaves, together with collards, are household of kale and spring veggies. Their thick leaves have a bit sour flavor. They have a texture in among kale and cabbage. Their call certainly derives from the term colewort. Calcium, nutrition A, nutrition B9, folate, and nutrition C are all considerable in collard veggies. In phrases of leafy veggies, they're additionally one of the pinnacle vendors of nutrition K. In fact, cooked collard veggies comprise 0.45% of the daily value, DV, for nutrition K in only 1 cup, 190 grams. Blood coagulation is concept to be aided through nutrition K. Its ability to decorate bone fitness is likewise the situation of greater investigation. Hip fracture threat become extensively better in a single studies of 327 girls elderly 38 to 63 who had nutrition K intakes under 109 micrograms day by day, indicating a dating among this nutrition and bone fitness. Number 2. Microgreens. Immature veggies called microgreens are constructed from the seeds of numerous veggies and plants. Typically, they're 3 inches, 2.5, 7.5 cm. Although they have got many different purposes, they had been regularly hired as a garnish or decoration because the 1980s. Despite their little size, they're brimming with taste, color, and nutrition. Microgreens certainly have as much as 40 instances greater vitamins than their mature counterparts, in keeping with one studies. Vitamins C, E, and K are a number of those vitamins. Microgreens are effortlessly on hand given that they'll be cultivated all 12 months spherical with inside the comfort of your very own home. Number 1. Kale. Due to its abundance of nutrients, minerals, and antioxidants, kale is seen as one of the veggies with the best dietary density at the world. For instance, 1 cup, 67 grams of uncooked kale has 134%, 206%, and 684% of the daily values, DV, for nutrients A, C, and K. 2. Additionally, it has antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene that decrease the threat of ailments introduced on through oxidative stress. Kale is nice eaten uncooked to obtain the entire dietary blessings as heating may modify the nutrition profile. This video has come to an end. Hope you men determined it informative. Make positive to love this video and enroll in our channel. Share it together along with your cherished ones. See you in the video.